Yo, King Klarindon. I got this pat. 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 I got this patent. I got this patent. I got this pat. 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 Yeah, this rap shit beats run through my veins. I medicated them with lyrics, well written, teaching words like a book. And I kill beats, nigga, when I speed of the hook. Take a look into my eyes, I tell you what you see. You see blood bleeding, fountains of energy. I said I got this, these niggas drop this. They can't take the catch I take when these beats are thrown. So I will be sitting on this throne, screaming I got this. They think they got me, they can't stop this. I'm going to top this, they can't resist this, nigga, when I'm on this beat, shit. What does success mean? I'm on the scene. BET, MTV, and I look clean. Grammy in my left hand, I can see it coming now when I'm running in. Best rapper till I drop her, bitches coming in. Wearing the best brands, live on the best land. If I ain't the best man, I'll be the best. Doing this from my eyes was a chest. Klarindon Northwest, Jamaica. I got this rap shit packed. I got this packed like shots from the Glock pack. Hey yo, I got this patent. I got this patent. I got this patent. I got this pat. Got this patent. I got this pat. Got this patent. I got this pat. Got this patent. Don't try to step on me, nigga. You claim become less than. It is because this rap shit ain't no quiz. I can't get you, then it's next in your crew. And I'ma give him two and a few more just to ensure that the very next week and you will celebrate it. Don't touch what I created, don't do it. Damn well I do it, I'm it. That's what you used to say. No seeing Prince King Klarindon getting the play every day. My shit overlay what you did back in the day. Patty don't like a clay, so I got the flow. So I kill beats as I get them, US dollar checks. Cash him at home, working 80 slappy at home. She can do better, I know it, but I like when she show it. And I look, and I see them amounts, and I see them accounts. A lot of money, what I'm talking about. Got this rap shit packed. The two fat bitches I got, she keep me warm in the back. Got a pet just like that. Yeah, I got this pet. Patent. Hey yo, I got this patent. I got this patent. I got this patent. I got this pet. Got this patent. I got this pet. Got this patent. I got this pet. Got this patent. Plus they don't know how to do it like me. When I step on the beat, flow so easy, come out so neat, fresh, smooth and sweet. And I eat cause of it, and I do it like I did it, like Biggie did it. Pack Jay-Z and did it. I mean it, I Eminem them with it. The way I kill it, Jamaican in it. Nicki Minaj, I hear you with it. Give you my dicky massage when you come, I say I win. Such a pretty cat, think she a dog. So many owns on your back, let them off at the morgue. Come to Jamaica, show you how I do it. When I tap that ass from back, just like that. Just tap that ass from back, just like that. Tap, pat, tap, just like that. Just slap that ass, Nicki Minaj. Yo, I got this pat. 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 Hey yo, I got this patent. I got this patent. I got this patent. Yo.